Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Teller floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Teller is going to give you 6 bedrooms, 4 bath, 2-car garage, and just over 2,900 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look. So with the Teller, you have an entry hallway that's going to lead on the left here towards your guest bedroom. So downstairs you have a guest bedroom. Here you have the closet with the dual doors. You've got a coat closet as well as a guest bath right up here towards the front. And then this opens all up into your kitchen and main living area with the corner pantry, your island overlooking your great room. And then on the left is the stairwell upstairs. So downstairs you're going to have a guest bedroom, a guest bath. You'll have all of your living spaces as you see here. You're going to have also your entry to the laundry space and your 2-car garage right through there. We're going to have our owner's suite right off the great room. So really nice size use of space. And then we have the owner's bath with the dual sinks. It's really nice size closet. You have the private water closet and then your glass enclosed shower. So downstairs, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, all your living spaces. Upstairs, we're gonna have the other 4 bedrooms and another 2 baths, plus you have a loft here with the Teller. So as we get to the top of the staircase, you have this nice open loft area that you can use your imagination on. And then we have all of the guest bedrooms. So here's the first of 4 that you'll find upstairs with the Teller, with the closet and the 2 doors. Then we have the guest bath, 1 of 2 upstairs, with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And we have the second guest bedroom, again with the dual door closet. And guest bedroom number 3. Dual door closet on this one also. And sandwiched in between guest bedroom 3 and 4, we have the final guest bath with the combination tub and shower, the commode, and the singular sink. And then we have the 4th bedroom again with the double door closet. Now, last but not least on the Teller is the exterior living space. So with the Teller, you're going to have a nice size covered lanai to enjoy all that Florida has to give. And it's a really nice size covered lanai. So all of this space out here covered from the elements, and this is an example of what the home could look like if you have the pool package on it as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, we can help you find it at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.